Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about making money online by selling wall art prints. I will show you how you can design these wall art prints in Adobe Illustrator or Canva. I will design a calligraphy wall art print in Adobe Illustrator. Right now I have these two files that I purchased from Shutterstock. One is for background and the second one is the Arabic calligraphy. So let's start. Open Adobe Illustrator and select a file size. My wall art frame will be in A3 size. So the artboard size will also be A3. Now place the background image on the artboard and resize it accordingly. It is in landscape form, so let's make it vertical. Now lock this layer and create a new layer for artwork and paste the calligraphy on this layer. This calligraphy is in vector format and you can customize its color. Our wall art frame is ready. Now export it as JPG or PNG format for print. Here is the final result. I showed you a complete process to making money online by selling wall art prints. You can sell these wall art prints on Etsy and creative market shops or also on social media platforms like Instagram. Selling wall art can be a great way to generate passive income and build a successful online business. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Thanks for watching.